If you don't know the components of what you're selling, how the hell can you sell it? That is the gas line coming in. So they're taking the gas lines and they're putting them outside so they can read them easier. If you go in older houses, they're gonna have gas lines inside, and sometimes the inspector will say it needs to be moved outside. That's National Grid, it doesn't cost anything. Call National Grid, they'll do it. So what happened here is you have an old gas line, you have what's called a meter bar. You see where the two gray little knobs are? That thing going across is called a meter bar. So if you ever talk to National Grid and they're like, well, is there a meter bar? That's what you need to look for. All you would do is install the gas meter right to that space. Because this one's older, I need to get a new gas line. So they're gonna have me put a new gas line in, that will become defunct and it will go outside.
I've heard terms like, is the gas line capped or uncapped?
Easy question, easy. So capped would be if you cut the line, just cut it in the middle and you just put a little cap on it. It's been capped for a while, you have to get a new line in. Capping a gas line is a plumber takes them 10 minutes. Cut the shit and just cap it.